na samahan with your significant other. Alamin po ang 5 love languages na ipaliliwanag sa atin ni Miss Rosemary Rafael, President of Airspeed International. Good morning!
Good morning, Good morning, Jerry. Bago ang lahat,
Yes.
kailangan kong tawagin ang aking asawa.
Siyempre.
Yes.
Sige po, kayo na magpakilala.
Ito na ang aking good-looking husband, Joey Rafael.
Yes, hello.
Hello, Mr.
Hi, Sir Joey.
Good morning po.
Okay na lang po kayo para tabi kayo.
Maganda yan.
Oo, sa tabi kita,
Yes.
syempre, no?
Inggit naman. Inggit
Oo,
ba?
Luella.
Inggit ako.
30 years na kami. Hindi halata, di ba? 30 years. 30 years.
Sinong pasensyoso? Pasensyoso?
Ako, hindi.
Pero hindi umabot sila ng 30
Siyempre,
years.
kailangan pareho yun.
Anong sikreto? Bakit umabot kayo ng 30 years?
Actually, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi, lalo na sa gusto magpakasal. You have to accept your spouse or your partner for who he is and who
Okay.
he is not.
Dapat nakikinig ako dito talaga yun, partner.
Oo. Kasi malapit ka na rin magpakasal.
Ay, malapit ka
Ay,
na
hindi po.
magpakasal.
Wala pa po yung pakakasalan niya.
Darating din yan sa buhay mo. Oo. Kasi importante talaga. Kasi sometimes what we do is we would like to change the person we're about to marry na, ganito siya ngayon, pero kailangan, pwede kong gawin na ganito siya. Hindi pwede yun eh. Kailangan talaga tanggapin mo kung sino siya at kung ano siya na hindi siya. So, yun ang napaka-importante.
30
Okay.
years. Based on that,
Di ba ang sarap?
principle. Oo.
Parang lahat siguro din, siguro mas maano sa kababaihan na mas gusto nilang umabot din sila ng ganong katagal.
Oo naman.
Parang ako, nainggit ako.
Kasi Luella talaga.
Parang gusto ko din abutin yung ganyan 30 years. Kaya lang
30 years.
malay natin, baka naman pagdating ng panahon, umabot pa ako sa 30 years.
Habang may buhay, may pag-asa, partner.
Exactly, Jerry. Ganun yun.
Yes.
Abutin ako mga 77 years old, 30 years na.
Years, oo.
Anyway, pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ang yung 5 sinasabi natin kanina, one universal language of love. Ano nga po ba yung isa doon?
Well, before we go to that, gusto ko lang i-share sa mga nakikinig na every human being needs love, di ba? Lahat tayo
course.
kailangan ng pag-ibig, lahat tayo kailangan nating umibig at kailangan nating we want to love and we need love, di ba?
That's very true.
But what we realize as you go to this topic is that there are many ways to love. Hindi lang isang klase. Kaya nga ginawa itong librong ito or ginawa itong concept na to because we can understand that there are many ways to show our love and affection to one another.
Yun pala yung love language.
Correct. That's right. Just like
Pero alam niyo po, sa pagsasalita po lang ninyo, nakaka-inlove na.
talaga.
No.
Kaya in love din ako dito, no?
Feel na feeling ko.
Kasi parang nagsasalita siya, parang titingin ka talaga sa kanya.
Luella talaga.
Tama po ba? Na in love ka dahil sa pananalita niya, kung paano siya mag-deliver. Isa rin yan, di ba?
Oo.
Well, yeah, kaya nga yung love language, there's basically 5 love languages. And
Ano
so,
yun? Sige.
Ano
what
po yung
happens
isa
is
yun?
that-
Oo, sige.
Isa-isahin po natin
Sige.
yan.
Sige.
There's a language of affirmation, words of affirmation.
Oo.
And
Ano
then,
po itong words of affirmation?
well, it's
na ito?
basically words, how you tell people, di ba? We say that, Bible says that life and death are in the power of the tongue. So yung tongue natin or yung words natin, pwedeng pumatay o pwedeng magbuhay. We can give encouragement or we can give discouragement. We can lift up or we can destroy. Di ba?
Or
I
bring
mean,
down. That's
people
right.
have grown up, either they're being affirmed, they're being encouraged, or they can grow up, as children, you can grow up being discouraged. Minumura ka ng magulang mo. Nasabi, wala kang kwentang tao, blah, blah, blah. You grow up listening to that, and it comes into your mind, and you grow up and say, wala kang kwenta. But if you grow up having words of affirmation, words of love, you hear your parents telling you, I love you. Some people grow up never hearing I love you from their parents, especially from their fathers. Or some of them don't even grow up with fathers.
Ito
So,
yung mga nagre-rebelde mo talaga.
well, yeah. So people are product of their environment, and so when the first love language is affirmation or words. We like to hear words. You like to be praised. You like to be encouraged, diba?
That's
You like people to say good job, or you like to tell people, oh, come on, you can do it. Yung mga encouragement na ganyan. So, it's really when you as husbands and wives, you want your husband to encourage you, and vice versa. You want your wife to encourage you. You come home from a bad day. Things went wrong in the office. The last thing you want is for your wife to tell you, ano bang nangyari sa'yo? Wala kang
bakit
kwentang
ngayon ka
asawa,
lang?
ngayon ka lang, blah, blah, blah. Kulang ang pera. There you are, you're trying to work so hard, and you come home to that. You know what I'm saying? So you want praise, you want some kind of consolation, you want some kind of encouragement. Words of affirmation. And in this day and age, we live in an era or a time where communication is so fast. Communication is so available.
Totoo.
Diba? So unlike before, kailangan magsulat ka pa or now even if you're long distance relationship, your husband is in another place, your wife is working half across the globe. There's what do you call that?
Lahat na, mga lahat.
Email,
social media.
Skype.
Oo,
Yeah.
Skype, Viber.
You can actually talk to your loved one face to face.
Yeah.
Unlike,
Pwede
Oo,
talaga.
yan.
and noon, kailangan, well, I'm showing my age. Kailangan pumunta ka pa sa PLDT para tumawag ng long distance. Otherwise, you're paying how many pesos, how much, 100 pesos per minute noon, long distance. So nobody wants to do long distance.
Teka muna po, kasi ang nabanggit nyo kanina, kailangan 5.
Lima.
Di ba pwede isa lang?
Hindi ko pa
Hindi nga,
universal love language
kasi nga, iba-iba ang love language ng ibang tao. So kaya merong affirmation,
Okay.
merong quality time, merong
Affirmation, quality time.
merong acts of service,
Acts of
merong
service.
receiving gifts.
Yeah.
Everybody likes to receive
I
gifts.
like it.
I like that too.
Or receiving
I like that too. Remember
And then,
that?
and then the fifth one is touch. And so
physical
5
touch.
yan. And so what happens is normally we give a test. So somebody will fill up they'll answer questions, and based on their questions, you can determine kung ano yung primary love language nila.
Parang dominant.
Dominant love language.
So, walang parang one size fits all approach para sa mga tao.
Yeah, because there's some people they'll say, kunyari, say for example si Ud, ang love language niya is acts
That's
of
my
service.
nickname. Yeah.
Acts of service.
So which means she likes to do things for people. That's how she shows her love. She shows her love for me by doing things for me, by going out her friend. She goes out of her way. She does this. She does favors.
But at the same time, Joey, it also means na parang kunyari, yun yung ginagawa ko, yung love language ng kabila o yung partner ko or whatever,
Yes.
friends or whatever, ganun din ang expectation ko.
Correct.
Parang kunyari, acts of service ako, ang ina-expect ko rin kay Joey na, you have to do things for me too.
Yes.
Why are you just,
Because that's your love
doing
language.
something else? Parang ganun, kasi that's my love language.
Okay.
For example,
I will feel love
Yeah.
if he, does things like that for
Right.
me.
So kailangan ba mag-expect ka in return na pagka kunyari minahal ko to, may ginawa kang na masarap para sa lalaki. Para bang sana gawin niya din ganito yung sa akin. Ganun ba dapat?
In the natural, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But the thing is, that's why it's important to know the love language. Kasi kung alam ko love language ni Ut is service, acts of service, edi I'll go out of my way to do things for her. Pero kung hindi ko alam o hindi kami nag-uusap, hindi niya ini-express ang sarili niya, dead ma ako or I don't know. So I'll just go, I'll keep talking to her, oh, I love you, you're this to me, blah, blah, blah. Ako, words of affirmation. So I can talk to her. Pero for her, she doesn't really respond to it because
Iba yung love
she wants to
language ko.
receive acts of service. Gusto niya gawang ko siya ng
Paano mo kayo nagkaalaman? Like talagang sinabi ninyo
Oo.
sa isa't isa na parang
Parang gusto ko ganito.
ito,
Gusto ko yung
kasi
dapat
parang
ganyan
sinabi
ka.
mo kanina,
Actually,
expectations
we learned the hard way.
Oo, actually, through the years,
Yes.
Through the years,
makikita mo eh.
okay, oo.
Like let's say, nakikita ko yung sa akin, I like to do things for people, for my husband, for my children. So yun yung aking parang dominant na love language. So ngayon, nakita rin niya na, ito pala. Kasi whenever he does like, kunyari gifts, although of course, that's my second, syempre, pag Mother's Day or Valentine's,
Or birthday.
sasabihin ko sa kanya, don't send me flowers anymore, magastos yan. Pero deep within me, I like to receive.
gusto mo talaga ng flowers.
Pag hindi siya
Ano yun, universe?
Pag hindi siya nagpadala, parang, bakit ganon? Hindi niya ako pinadalan. Bakit ganyan? Ano ba yan? Pero sinabi sa akin, don't send me flowers anymore, ha? Pero ini-expect ko yon. So,
That's
nabasa niya na ako na ganon ako.
That's another tip for the husbands. Husbands, learn to read between the
Between
lines.
the lines.
Kailangan yung marinig yung hindi sinasabi.
Oo nga. Kasi yung ex-husband ko, ewan ko, manhid.
Mali.
nakakainis. Kaya tuloy, ayan, hindi kami, wala na.
Kaya nga,
Diba?
it's really important to really, it's just like with our children. Kasi nga, love language is not only for husbands and
Yes.
wives, but relationships that you have,
Yes.
whether mother and children. Like, I have to understand the love language of each children.
Each child.
Iba-iba yan eh. Oo, iba-iba yan eh. Or tayo, like kunyari, ikaw, Luella, hindi ko, siguro pero nakikita ko, you're a very lively, as you said nga kanina, gifts, di ba? Ako rin ganun eh.
Lahat naman yata ng babae gusto ng ganon. Tsaka mas maganda pa pag ang nagre-regalo ang lalaki, yung hindi mo alam.
Oo,
yung surprise.
surprise ka.
But you'll be surprised. A lot of people like quality time.
Quality.
They just want to have time with you. So never mind about the gifts. I don't care about the gifts. I just want you.
Yes, isa pa yan.
Okay,
I
yeah.
want you to be here.
Yes,
Oh.
exactly.
Ako siguro, pwede mo bang halo-halo?
Yes, there's
Parang
like
ang
one
isip ko,
dominant and one
quality
secondary.
time,
Yeah.
affirmation.
Right. Mga ganyan. Yeah.
ganun.
Tsaka gusto ko yung medyo hawak-hawakan. Ganyan. Tapos,
Touch.
okay
That's
ka
touch.
lang.
Yeah.
Oo, yun.
That's
Diba?
nice. Gusto mo ng public display of affection.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ganyan, di ba? You like
okay.
to be hugged, you like to be embraced, you don't mind expressing yourself outside. Yung iba may hiyain eh. Di ba? So they medyo pero there are people who like to express their love and affection by touching, by holding,
see.
by embracing. Maganda. So that's the fifth love language is touch.
Touch.
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Pero so, hindi talaga dapat natin masamain kung halimbawa, nasa mall.
Yeah.
Tapos nakikita natin na yung dalawa pa.
Ganyan-ganyan.
So, okay lang yun. Kasi yung iba parang,
Well,
Yun,
kanya-kanya.
yan.
Kanya-kanya. Some people, that's fine. Some people, parang naiilang sila. So they'd rather express themselves in a different way. And that's precisely why we're sharing this, especially when we have mga couples retreat. Because many couples, they go through their marriage not understanding completely or not knowing exactly what the love language of the other is. So, in effect, lahat tayo may emotional love tank. You know? So,
Emotional love tank.
So which means
Ano po ito?
that means that you have a need, diba? Like I said, you need love. So yung may love tank ka. And so as Ut's partner kami, we have to fill each other's love tank. And so I have to know what fuel fills her tank.
Okay.
I mean, you can't put diesel on a regular car. Hindi, masisira. And so I need to know, okay, I fill her love tank by acts of service. So gagawa ako sa bahay, I will do this for her.
mamasahihin niya ako, ganyan.
Expert masahista na ako. Pwede, may
Acts of
yung
service
number
pala
ko
din
sa
yun.
home service, bibigay ko mamaya. Ay, massage. Ay, massage.
Diba?
Ha?
Yung breakfast in bed.
Hindi,
Oh, yeah,
well,
maganda yun. Maganda
kasi-
yun.
breakfast in bed.
Maganda yan, Jerry.
If I was a chef, I can
Makinig
do
ka.
it, but I don't really cook. But yeah. So but ako, expert masahista ako. Pwede na ako
Home service.
pwede na ako mag home service. Diba? So she likes that. Massage my foot. Ako naman masahe. Yeah, see?
malambing ka.
Kasi siya hindi eh.
So I have to learn.
Hindi siya malambing,
I have to learn that. It's not.
Hindi.
It's something. Not
Iba-ibang
something.
personalities
It's not
yun
something
eh.
that it's an acquired thing. I have to learn. And so,
Yeah.
as husbands and wives go through their life, they learn. Ano bang gusto ng asawa ko?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, and then you adjust and you do it.
It's
And you-
not just about yourself eh.
Yeah.
Because when you get married, sabi mo, 50-50. Hindi, it's 100 eh.
Yeah.
So
You give
it's
the
not
best. You
true.
give
And
your
then,
best.
at the same time, you
100.
don't get married for that person to fulfill you. You should get married that you're already fulfilled.
Fulfilled. That's very
Because
true.
if not, you'll just parang suck on each other. But you have to
And-
complement each other.
And like
diba?
like I said about the love tank. So marriage is it's about giving. It's not about taking. And so ako kami as a married couple, our marriage is flowing or flourishing because we give to one another.
Yeah.
You know, so I give to her, she gives to me,
Okay.
and so it's a matter of giving and giving. Hindi give and
Yes.
take. Giving and receiving.
Okay.
In other words, I don't take, I receive.
So, i-recap lang ho natin yung 5, no? Affirmation,
Quality
time,
Acts of service.
Gifts,
gifts,
and
and
touch.
touch.
Yeah.
Okay.
I-continue natin yan, ma'am.
Galing. Okay, so thank you po.
Thank you so
much.
Welcome.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Joey Rafael and Miss Rosemary.
You're welcome.
Alam mo, nung narinig ko silang dalawa, parang I'm in love.
Diba? Parang ako, hi. Diba? Yun na lang.
Tsaka masarap yun yung parang baby ka. Diba? No, masarap yung ganun. Oo. Sabi kasi nila, di ba, pagka ano, ay nako, parang may edad na, pero hindi, ang puso, hindi yan tumatanda.
Totoo yan, partner.
Lagi yang bata. Okay, magbabalik pa rin
Yes.
po ang Rise and Shine!